after that.
All right, welcome to part 2 of the hydro install. If you haven't seen part 1, make sure you check it out. But part 1, what we did was we installed the Part Shop Max hydro here, and then we also installed the calipers and then caliper bracket. I spent the last couple of days routing the lines and everything, so I want to show you how I did it, and I think it looks the best. So the reservoir is currently mounted right here. I don't have airbags, so right there would be a perfect solution. The best thing is I can actually install this and it'll be hidden away. The only thing was I had to trim a little bit right there to clear that part. Now after that, the rubber line runs down here and it goes into the master. After that, the line loops behind that bracket. I think that holds the AC unit or something back there, and it goes to the hard line on the other side. Just a heads up, my master, at first it was hidden this bracket, the line was. So what I did was I rotated this master 180, and I have barely just enough room to where it misses it. I may put like a little rubber, I don't know, hose or some insulation to prevent it from rubbing. But the hard line goes here, it goes under the carpet and into the back. So the hard line goes from all there, runs under the carpet down here, and then it goes to a T. And what I did was, instead of drilling into the trunk or into the wheel well, I ended up using the existing ABS grommet, and then it comes out of there. I zip tied it and then into the calipers. So that's how I had it routed, so that may help you with yours. I didn't want to drill into anything, so I figured the ABS grommet is probably the best. I did have to cut the grommet a little bit to make it bigger. Other than that, I think that's probably the cleanest route. So now we gotta spend time and bleed the system. So hopefully I can bleed it, get rid of all the air bubbles, and take this thing and test it out in the street before I hit the track tonight. Look at all those air bubbles. I got it all bled. This thing is rock solid now. This is, I mean, as far as I can go. I also went ahead and put the wheels back on. I got this thing bolted down or screwed down, so all that's good to go. The thing to do now is go ahead and vacuum all that stuff. Put the seats back in. I feel pretty confident it's not gonna leak. And then also finish putting the trim pieces. I did finding the door here. Unfortunately, it looks pretty ugly. I just put some JB weld, but you can see it where the gap are. But for now, I think that'll work out. I'll try to figure something out in the future. I think I'm gonna bleed the clutch, put the front bumper back on, wash it, go get gas, test on the street, and then try it out tonight at the track. So I'll see you guys at the track.
me?
I'm good.
I'm going to tell you something from the last time. It's probably been 2 years or a year when I was out here the last time.
Yeah.
No, you definitely, you got that down.
Thank you. I'm hoping this next one will be better.
Pickup after that. That was a great pickup because you couldn't. Then you saw him and you got right back in on it. That was great.
My tires are done.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, so it's the next day and I'm just sitting in my car reflecting on the driving last night, how great of an event it was, the vibe, being able to drive with my buddy Brandon. It was just an overall great experience and I truly enjoyed it. As far as the hydro goes, it works. What wasn't on camera was that I ended up driving a few laps in the beginning off camera to get used to the hydro, especially knowing when to use it, when not to use it, but that comes with experience. So I'm happy that I have this tool that I can use for the future. For once, I enjoy driving with my friends. And you know, in the past we would drive events together, but I would drive solo. But last night was the first time where my buddy Brandon in that 300, orange 300, we did 15-20-ish laps together and it felt great. And towards the end, we ended up giving ride-alongs to all of our friends and they all truly enjoyed it and stoked and can't wait to go back. Thank you for watching this little short part 1-2 series for the hydro install. I'm not sure what to do next. I think I want to probably do the headlights or taillights next. Driving home last night, I couldn't really see anything. So I think I'll do that one next and take you guys along with me. But thank you for watching and I will see you next video. Peace.